Hi, Johnny Plumber here. Have you ever lost important files from your computer? Maybe your hard drive crashed, or you accidentally deleted something you needed. If so, you know how frustrating it can be to lose those data. That's why Gotbackup is so important. Gotbackup is a cloud-based backup service that automatically backs up your files to the cloud. That way, even if your computer crashes or your hard drive dies, you can still access your files. Now, Gotbackup is easy to use. Just install the software on your computer and it will automatically start backing up your files. You can choose what files to backup, and you can also set up a schedule for backups. Gotbackup is also affordable. The basic plan costs just $9.97 per month, and you can get a discount if you sign up for a year. But Gotbackup is more than just a backup service. It's also a business opportunity. With Gotbackup, you can earn money by referring other people to the service. There are no limits to how much you can earn with Gotbackup. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable backup service, or if you're looking for a business opportunity, Gotbackup is the perfect solution for you. Click the link in the description to learn more and secure your spot for free.